Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to write about Quack Goes Camping. Okay? We are going to use the words that you see right here. Somebody, wanted, but, so, to help us summarize our story. Okay? In a fiction story, there's always a somebody, the main character, that wants something, but something happens so they can't have it or do it or get it. So they figure out a way to solve their problem. Okay? So we're going to use these 4 words to help us with our writing today. All right? First, we need to start with the somebody. Who is the somebody in our story? Quack Goes Camping. It's Quack, isn't it? So I'm going to type his name. Quack. All right. Let's see here. Close that. Put it over here. Somebody is Quack. And what did Quack want to do? Yeah, he wanted to go camping. Good. All right, but something happens. Do you remember what happens in the story? Yeah. Mama Duck and Father Duck won't take him, right? But so Mom and Dad won't go. Okay. So what happens? What happens in the story? What does Quack do to figure out a way to go camping? That's right. He asks Grandpa. That's pretty smart. I don't know about you, but when I was little, if I couldn't get something from Mom and Dad, I always went to Grandma or Grandpa. They always helped me out. All right, so we're going to use this plan right here to help us write the summary of this story. We're going to go to slide 2 next and start our story. I'll see you on slide 2.